Yeah, the fire is on, you know. Air fire. They link up right on fire. Fire is on, man. Same settings, you know. I appear in greater days. See it? Yeah, man. Real Ishens, you know. Organic Ishens. Yeah, real organic. Check the one now. An idea. We're gonna get the piece of land already. See me? We have some suckers. Plant suckers to place. Another piece of land now. You can see the fire. Yeah, so we're gonna get the all insect. Everything out of the land, you know. The land nice and ready. So we have lots of things to plant. You know? But mainly the Ishens. You see me? Yeah, so they're on day 2 now. I'm preparing the land for greater days. You see it? Yeah. Any question, big man?
What do they call a pop nice there?
Most of the grass dry, and the green one. So when the dry one light, I meet the green one, cause that sound.
Pop.
So in a quick time the fire do a lot. See that? Yes, fire all move to me same way. So me come out of the way. Yeah. Everything, no stone, no left and turn, you know, everything on fire. Fire for your purification, you know. Yeah, so we have to know that we can't afraid of fire. You have to stand up in the fire and not get burned. You see it? I mean, I tell us if you walk in the fire, you know, that's not saying no, but you see what go on the earth, I'll be a fire. So you have to be in the fire and know that the fire burn, and you not get burned or scorched in the fire, you see? Check it. Alright, not doing any spraying to prepare the land. Burning. Cutting, weeding, burning. No spray. Alright?
No chemical.
No chemical. No chemical around here. Organic farming. It's up and up.
But you like piece of them grass here and show them in it.
How do you live?
No, them no, still them from up here. Waste man, waste of time. Oh man, I see me I say, yo, I wish I would have a boy up my thing.
You look like a long time, you know, I think all them artists.
Well, look at you to an upbringing there. 6 minutes with then 8 we are go.
Yeah. Yeah man, a food. Only for food, only for food. Time where we are going there now, food I main thing you have to have now. Because we have a food war looking for now. See me say you have to put in food in the earth. Make sure you have to put in food. If you don't have no food, look more you can't sell. Come here, you come with that thing where look more you can't buy and sell it. So now have the mark. So check. Yeah, so better you have your own thing. So no time for waste. So you have piece of land to start farm. Put in some things in the earth. The greater days. You know? Yeah man, plant up your mango tree man, plant up your apple tree. You see me, plant your ackee tree, your breadfruit tree, you see me? Plant up your banana, you're planting them. You see what I say? You dash in your cocoa, just plant up some things. Anything you can get your hand pan, from a food, plant it up. Because it's going to need it. Because me say, food crisis is right around the corner. It might sound no way, or maybe you not see, or the man not see, but you need to prepare for it. So, that's the difference right now. Preparing for it. Yeah, you could have said the unexpected. I look out for the unexpected. You see me? Yeah, so I think look good now. We reach one place there. You know? Can start. Even drop something in it. So I'm gonna say, yeah, blood sweet.
Oh, wait, the seat, I remember.
Yeah, look up there. I see it, and I said, blood star.